What's going on, guys? I've been talking to you guys about the Stryke Force digital camo striker drag bag system, and I figured I'd throw up a review and show you guys how it works a little bit and the quality of it. I got the 26-inch Army camo striker drag bag. It's a pretty solid system. I bought it because it was pretty cheap and it seemed pretty solid, so let me open it up, show you guys a little bit. It's got some pretty thick zippers on it. It's really tough material. I'm not exactly sure what kind of material. It's got a little cone over it, so it protects everything. It's pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. Solid system. As you can see, it has the straps to lock in your rifle. And it has the little holes in here so you can move it farther back. You can pretty much change it however you need to fit your rifle and have it in there secure. Pretty solid buckles. The buckles are plastic, but the material that is like the roping of it is pretty solid. Down here, under the bottom, it has a long pocket. I didn't know what that was for the longest time, and then I found out. It's so you can put your cleaning rod down in there and keep it with the rifle at all times. I have like a 32-inch, or I think I have like the 30-inch rail or cleaning rod, and it takes up pretty much the whole freaking bag, but it still works. Get this out of the way. It's got an inside pocket made out of the same material that's from the inside. It's got regular, pretty hefty buttons. And I put my cleaning supplies and my bolt in there. You can probably put some other stuff in there. That's just what I choose to put in there. And then I go down to the outside. It's got a pretty big pocket that can hold a bunch of stuff. It doesn't open all the way, but it opens pretty well. It's got buckles inside as well. I got more of my cleaning stuff in here. I figured it'd be nice to have that in the field if you ever have to get stuck with it. You clean your rifle. These ones they're not movable. They are adjustable, but you cannot move them. They are just pretty much where they are. And they're pretty spaced out. We got two of them. If you need to put like a rangefinder, I don't know what you put in there, but still, it's pretty nice. And it's got another pocket. Not as big. Doesn't open as wide, but and then I put my tools and then like my sunshade and then whatever else you can think of or you think you need in the field. These go for about $127 online right now. That's subject to change. You can't really they might come out with a new product or whatever, but. And then it's got a top pocket that's pretty big. I keep my calculator, zip ties, windage flags, pretty much whatever you need to put in there to suit your needs. The cool thing I thought was really cool, I didn't know about this for a long time, was it's got a handle. It's really solid. You can drag it for a drag bag. And it's got really rough material all around, so you can drag it through the field and everything. But if you need to, it turns into a pretty tight little backpack. So it's got the little buckles down here, and then up here's the shoulder straps. Buckle it in right there. Buckle it in right there. And then you got a really sturdy carrying case, I guess, and you can strap it like a backpack. And if you guys don't think it's pretty sturdy, I put probably a 40-pound steel plate. This was on my back, and I put the steel plate behind it because I didn't want to carry it up to 1,000 yards. So I threw it in there, and it actually displaced the weight, and it was pretty comfortable. My back was a little bit sore, but 40 pounds on your back plus the rifle and everything, that's a lot of weight. It still did a great job. It didn't tear it. Everything held up well. And as you saw, you can just shove it right back in there and turn it into a regular drag bag. It's got another loop right here. You can probably put through right here if you got to be like a sniper or whatever. And you could drag it that way. You can carry it that way. It's got a little button clip to make it so you hang it up. Again, like I said, this is a great bag, especially for, I got mine on sale for probably like 110 bucks, but they usually go for about 130 bucks plus tax unless you get like some kind of deal, but it's a great price tag for what you get. Protects the gun really well. I've had this drop off my truck and it kept it pretty well. There's nothing wrong with the rifle. There's a video on YouTube around there where some guy's throwing his bag with his rifle in it, taking it. I don't feel like doing that with my rifle, but apparently I can take it. So yeah, that's the Stryke Force Striker drag bag. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed the review.